Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jaila, also known as JaiChanellie on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. Today I'm coming to show you how to achieve this big, fluffy, beautiful afro. Honestly, it has definition, it has volume, it has everything you need, and you only need a couple of products to achieve this style. Without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. Okay y'all, so I have a total of 8 Bantu knots in my head. I'm going to let these dry overnight and then I'll come to y'all tomorrow to go ahead and take them down. So this is my hair, y'all. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below what you think. A couple of things to note. My hair is still pretty damp, so that's kind of why I'm getting the wash and go look almost. If you want more of a Bantu knot look, you have to let your hair dry completely. I highly recommend using a hooded dryer or air drying for a couple of days. I didn't have enough time to do all that, so I'm completely fine with the results that I got. That's it, y'all. That's all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so YouTube can share with other people. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.